students, how are you? Hope so, all are in good health. I am Miss Anita Sanchala and I'll be teaching you EVS. But before I begin, let me tell you a few things. As we are all locked down in our houses due to COVID-19 pandemic, we cannot go to school due to coronavirus. So our school has made an arrangement so that we can do online studies through videos. So let's begin. So today we are going to do lesson number 1, We All Grow. And in this lesson we are going to cover about the baby, how parents look after a baby, the growing phase, and what is a family. But before that, I would request you to please see the video till the last. Just wait. So students, this is your EVS textbook of standard 2nd. Chapter 1, We All Grow. I'll explain this lesson to you in short. Then we will see, then we'll read the textbook. EVS lesson 1, We All Grow. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the baby, how parents look, the growing phase, and what is a family. So now first, when a child is born, what is the child called as? A baby. Then when the child is very small, we call the child as baby. Then who looks after the baby? The parents. So what all things the parents do for the baby? The parents feed the baby, they give bath to the baby, they give medicine to the baby when the baby is sick. The parents helps the baby in walking. And one more thing I forgot to add, the parents helps the baby to sleep, saying stories or by singing songs. You must have experienced when you were small, mummy used to sing lullabies, that we say lori. Then next we'll come to the growing phase. How the baby grows. First, when the baby is very small, we call baby. Then what the baby is doing? As the baby grows, the baby learns to crawl. Then the baby tries to stand. And then the baby walks on his own. And then over the period of time, the baby develops into an adult. And later on, old age. You can see the small baby here. Then the baby is trying to crawl. Then the baby will learn walking. Then the baby grows and becomes more big and then becomes old. Now we'll see what is a family. Mother, father and children is called as a family. Members of a family looks like each other. So in a family, we resemble like a mummy or daddy. And we call a small family when in the family only mother, father and children are there. We call family is big when in the family there is mother, father, children, then grandparents, uncle, aunties and cousins. So you can see here a family. I made in a cartoon form. Mummy, daddy, brother, sister, they are called as a family. I'll also show you, I have drawn a picture of a pram so that the concepts are clear that what is a pram. Now let's begin with the textbook. Chapter 1, We All Grow. We are all small babies when we are born. I've already shown you in the picture there. So when we are born, what we are called as? Babies. We cannot talk or walk then. So when we are a baby, we cannot talk or walk. And then who takes care of us? Our parents takes care of us or they look after us. See how the parents in the picture are looking after their baby. When we are small, we cannot eat food on our own. Our parents help us to eat food. This you can see in this picture. The mother is feeding the baby. We also cannot take a bath on our own. Our parents give us a bath. You can see here the mother is giving bath to the baby. When we are unwell, our parents give us medicine to get well soon. Here the mummy is giving the baby medicine because a baby is sick or unwell. Our parents take us walking in a pram when we cannot stand or walk. I had shown you in the picture here. This is a pram. Okay, students? So when the baby is very small, mother takes the baby in the pram and the baby is sleeping here. Then mummy takes the pram in a garden just for a walk for the child. So our parents take us walking in a pram when we cannot stand or walk. So this is a picture here. The mummy is helping the baby to walk. Our parents make us sleep by singing songs and telling stories. Here the mother is helping the baby to sleep by singing songs and stories. One more thing, students, I forgot to show you. You can have a look of the baby here. Can you see the baby? Okay. Now students, this is a homework for you. Here what you have to do, talk to your parents, put a tick for the things you could do when you were a baby less than a year old. So you ask your parents that, mummy, when I was very small, what all things I used to do? Were I able to walk? Were I able to drive a car, drink milk, talk, ride a bicycle, cry, play, smile, cook food? So when you ask your mummy or daddy, they will give you proper answer. So put a tick for that particular thing. Now we go to the next page. Now this is the growing phase of the child, how the baby is growing from small to big. A baby grows slowly. He learns to crawl and then walk. He learns to talk. He also learns to eat on his own. So here you can see the baby. Again I'll show the picture to you. You can see the baby here. Then the baby tries to crawl because the baby wants to learn to walk. So first, before walking, the baby is trying to crawl. Then the gradually crawling one day, then the child learns to walk. Then I'm showing you the pictures of small children. You can see here small children of the school. Yes. Then the baby learns to walk, and then one day the baby becomes big. And when the baby becomes big, he is called an adult. And gradually he will go to the old age. So from baby become then one day very old. Okay. Now we will discuss about what is a family. Now mother, father and their children are a family. Members of a family look like each other. So in this picture you can see that this is a family because it includes mother, father and the children. And in a family, members of the family look like each other. You must have seen that people may be telling you that you are looking like your mummy, you are looking like your daddy, you are looking like your mama. Like this, people may be telling, So that means you are looking like your parents. Now you can see this family here. This is also a family, but it is a big family. Your mother and the grandparents are there, uncle, auntie is there, children are there and cousin. So here we can say that this is a small family and this is a big family because it is including mummy, daddy, grandparents, children, okay, and uncle, auntie, mother and father when we grow up. So when we grow up, we will be looking like a mother or father. We will be called as an adult, and that time we will be called as an adult. You can see in this picture the baby is becoming big. So now we are called as adult here. Now students, this is also a homework. Here what you have to do, you have to write the names of two babies here, two children here, two adults here, and they can be members of your family or your friends. So for this you have to ask your parents. Take help from your parents and do this homework. Now next student, here we have to stick photos of your mother and father in the boxes. Here you have to stick photo of your mummy, daddy, and here what you have to write, whom do you look like? So you may be knowing that how you are looking, whether you are looking like your mother or your father. So you write here how whom you are resembling. Here what you have to stick, you have to stick two photos of yourself. One as a baby when you were very small, that time photo you can put here, and now how you are looking now, means now you have come in second standard. So how you are looking, you can put the latest photo. Some parents keep a baby book. Ask your parents to show you one. Look at family albums to see how a person looks as he or she grows. So now students, your parents may be having an album, family album, in which they must have put photos, many photos. It may be the photos of themselves, or it may be photos of some celebration in which you may be also there, they may be there, your uncle, auntie, everybody may be there. But you have to see that where is your photo, how you were looking. Just go through the album and you'll enjoy seeing the album. Okay, so today students, we have finished with a lesson We All Grow. Now we will just see what all things today we have covered. So today we had learnt in a lesson about the baby, how parents looks after the baby, the growing phase, and what is a family. Before that, I'll just show you again the photos. See, you can see the baby photo when you were small. When you become big, then more big, you can see, and then you become an adult. Now we will do the exercise. Question 1. Write true or false for each statement. We are grown up when we are born. This says that when we are born, we are grown up. Are we grown up that time? No. So the statement is wrong. So we will write false. See students, whenever you are writing false spelling, always check the false spelling here. Because I have seen many students in exam, they copy the wrong spelling. So just check a false from here only. So you will never make mistake. Second, our parents look after us when we are young. When we are in first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, sixth standard, seventh, eighth, parents are looking after us or no? Yes, they are looking after us. So it's true. Third question. A baby looks like people in other families. Do the baby look like people in other families? Do they look like their neighbors? No. So whatever is written is wrong. So we write false. We look like a mother or father when we grow up. So when we grow up, how we will look? We will look like a mother or father. Not fully, but little bit we will look like a mother or father. So this statement is true. Fifth, members of a family do not look like each other. They are saying that this sentence is saying that in a family people are not looking like each other. So is it true? No. So the statement is wrong. So we write false. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, that is answer the following question. Give two things a baby cannot do when he is born. Now you have to think on your own that when you are born, what all things you cannot do. First, a baby cannot eat on his own. I have shown you the picture, no? So just recollect it. Second, a baby cannot walk on his own. So again, a baby cannot eat and walk on his own when the baby is born. Next question, give 2 ways in which parents look after their baby. So how the parents are looking after you, what all things they are doing for you. First, parents give medicine to their baby when he is unwell. Second, parents give bath to their baby. Okay, now next question. Third, what does a baby do before he begins to walk? A baby learns to crawl before he begins to walk. I have shown you in this. Here you can see, before he learns to walk, what the baby is doing. The baby is trying to crawl. So the baby learns to crawl before he learns to walk. Now here, this is again a homework for you students. You have to draw something from a baby book in the box. Okay, take the help of your parents. They will tell you what to draw. Okay. Now students, we have finished our lesson, We All Grow. See, when we are growing from baby to a big person, an adult, I just want to ask you that when you become big, what type of person you want to become? Or now, what type of child you want to become? Good child or bad child? I am sure that everyone wants to be a good child. Now, what are the qualities of a good child then? The good child should always speak the truth. They should be always polite. Means they should talk politely to others, not to shout at others and speak. They should be kind to everyone. They should share things with others. They should follow good manners. And they should think of others. So if you have all these qualities, then people will say that you are a good child. And when you become big, people will say that you are a good person. Okay. Now one more thing students, this was about your lesson only, and we have seen that how we can apply some good qualities in us. And I'll ask you, see here we have learned that how we are growing, and when we are born, what we are called as. When we are born, we are called as a baby. In a similar manner, even animals grow and plants grow, right? So let's see what are the young ones of animals called as. I have few examples for you. This is additional knowledge for you. Young ones of animals. Now what is a young one of a dog called as? I am sure that everyone knows it. It is puppy. Cat, kitten, because we can see dogs and cats in our surrounding, isn't it? Then cow, young one of a cow is called as calf. Young one of a lion is called as cub. Young one of a hen is called as, and young one of a sheep is called as lamb. Young one of a horse is called as foal, and young one of a kangaroo is called as joy. And when this was about the animals, they are all living things. Even plants are living things. When the plant is very small, what we call it as sapling. Okay, this was about this is an additional knowledge, just somewhat related to the topic. Okay. Try to learn more young ones of animals. These are the just few examples, but you can, there are so many animals. Try to get knowledge about the animals, that what the young ones of whale is called, what the young one of giraffe is called, what the young one of camel is called. Like this you have to go on learning and increase your knowledge. Okay. So students, we have finished with the first lesson, We All Grow. Hope so you have liked the video.